Hi, welcome to Unmac Excel. I'm gonna show you how to use Autofill in Excel. At first we take a look at number series. In the worksheet in front of me, I write 1 in cell A1 and I write 2 in cell A2. Then I select both cells. If I look closely, I can see a little square in the lower right corner of the selection. This is the fill handle. In the sheet, I can see the mouse pointer as a white cross. When I move the mouse pointer to the fill handle, it changes to a black cross. When it does, I hold down the left mouse button and drag down to, for example, cell A10. I then release the mouse button, and I can see that I got a number series from 1 to 10. Excel looks at the pattern formed by the two initially selected cells. There's a difference of 1 between the values, and Excel fills the rest of the cells in accordance with the pattern. Let's try another pattern. I write 1 in cell B1 and I write 4 in cell B2. Hence, there's a difference of 3 between the values. I select the two cells. I drag the fill handle down to cell B10 and release the left mouse button. And this time too Excel fills the cells according to the pattern. 1, 4, 7, 10, etc. Now let's have a look at dates and quarters. In another sheet, in cell A1, I write the 25th of February 2021. With the cell A1 selected, I drag the fill handle down to, for instance, cell A7 and release the left mouse button. I can see that Excel has filled the cells with consecutive dates starting with the 25th of February. If I want to omit the weekends, I click the little tag shown beside the fill handle. There are a lot of alternatives in the menu shown. I choose fill weekdays. And I can see that the dates of the weekend in the end of February are omitted. How about quarters? Let's have a look. In cell F1, I write quarter 1. With the cell F1 selected, I drag the fill handle down to, for instance, cell F8 and release the left mouse button. I can see that Excel fills consecutive quarters up to quarter 4 and then starts from quarter 1 again. Very clever. At last, we look at copying and custom lists. In yet another sheet, I write work in cell A1. With the cell A1 selected, I drag the fill handle to, for instance, cell L1 and release the left mouse button. And I can see that the autofill works horizontally as well. I can also see that this is a way to copy. And sometimes even life might seem like this, only work. In cell A2, I write April. With the cell A2 selected, I drag the fill handle to, for instance, cell L2 and release the left mouse button. And I can see that something completely different happens. This time no copying has been made and the list of the months starting with April is shown. How come? In Excel there is something called custom lists. I choose the tab File. I choose Options. I choose the category Advanced, and I scroll down to the bottom and find the button Edit Custom Lists. I click it. And here I see the reason. The standard custom lists are shown, and I can see that the list at the bottom is the one used in my case. Now I want to make my own custom list. Under List Entries, I write Spring, Summer, Autumn, and Winter. I click Add. I click OK, and OK once more. Now let's test the list. In cell A3, I write Summer. With the cell A3 selected, I drag the fill handle to, for instance, cell L3 and release the left mouse button. My custom list is written into the cells starting with summer. And when it is finished, it starts all over again. I have shown you how to use Autofill. Thanks for watching.